still want to just like carry on like traditions and whatever. So there's no tradition. You went once. It's not a tradition.
Okay, these are the restaurants. Most of them are closed. They are closed now. It's Master Chef of the Year. City Spice, Cinnamon, Aladdin. Loads of them. Buzzing, always very busy. Curry Bazaar. Jeez. Yeah, this is Brick Lane, alright. It's amazing. Yeah, 1 and 2 still open. Then they still open. Oh, no, I think they're closing. I won't be surprised to find 1 or 2 24-hour Indian restaurant here. Brick Lane Tandoori. Balti House. What's Balti stands for, I wonder. dangerous. Oh dear, what are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? They're having sex or what? Are they doing it? They are doing it. What's going on there? What's going on? What's going on there? Okay, almost coming to the end of Brick Lane. Yeah, I don't know. I hope you enjoy the view of the different styles of Asian restaurants here. I think they've just recently been joined by the Chinese and Japanese. Usually you don't get the Chinese restaurants, it's Japanese restaurants here. It's mainly Indians and Asian and Vietnamese and Bangladesh and what have you. Yeah, a couple of minutes, I'll soon be getting to the end of the road, which is just over there. The end of the road, just where that car is. So let's continue with this night Brick Lane tour. it up. Right, so quick thinking. If you like an idea how much to live right here, how much the accommodation cost, I'm going to show you quickly. There's an estate agent over there. Right, I'm going to show you how much you can rent for and how much you can buy for. Buying, I'm sure, will be expensive because this is still city. Right, you got like a little gate here now. I don't even know when this was erected. I'll call it Brick Lane Gate. Okay, right, let's see. I'll give you an idea. Here we go. Right. You've got, what's that one? See that? How much is that going for? 475,000. See it? That's a 3-bedroom ground floor maisonette. Coming down to 430. These are just flats really. And you have a house for 349, 3-bedroom terrace house. See the price. Yeah. And then the cheapest you'll find here, that's 399. I think you got a cheap one here for 229. It's a studio flat, by the way, so as to say, go for what you can afford. Yeah, it's a studio flat. You got 674. It's a 6-bedroom property house. Yeah. Going on here again. This is a 2-bedroom flat. Manor Park E12, not far from here. Moving on to 1-bedroom. This is rental. See? If you want to live around here, or get east. It's walking distance to where I'm standing right now. See the price. 1,395 per calendar month. 1-bedroom apartment. There you go. Same down there, studio. And 3-bed is almost £2,000 a month. Bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 1,000, and then you go 3-bedroom terrace house. That small house there is for rent at 1495. Okay, so yeah, it gives you an idea. Not that you can't get anything cheaper, but at least you have an idea how much. Okay, ladies and gents, see you in the next video.